On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start creating African folktales with just your smartphone. How you can start creating African folktale stories with just your smartphone. So this video is going to be an in-depth tutorial, a step-by-step. I'm going to be showing you right from the ideation stage down to the finishing, all the tools you actually need to get started. So if you have been looking for a means to start a YouTube channel and you really do not know how to get started, or you don't know a specific niche to start with, then this is 100% and a perfect guide for you. I'm going to be showing you everything, but first let me just do a quick analysis so that you understand what I'm talking about. You're going to go to YouTube now. Let's wait for this thing to load. Then let's type African folktales. I have it already set here. You scroll down, you find out that there are several videos or several channels that are creating these African folktales, and the amazing thing here is they are pulling tons of views. Now if you watch the first one here, has over 26k views. You scroll down again, this other one has over 1 point, yes, this is 136k views. You scroll down again, you find another one here, one day ago, has over 3.8k views. So you can set up this thing with just your smartphone. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it, and I'm going to show you all the tools or applications you actually need to get started. Now the very first thing you need to put in place if you want to start creating content like this on YouTube is your ideas or your content ideas. So I'm going to be showing you how to generate your idea using ChatGPT. So we'll just go to ChatGPT now. This is my Chrome. You tap on it. I'm going to be as fast as possible, so there's no anything here to delay. Okay, so you tap on ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT. So we're going to give it a prompt and say, let's say, tell it, let this thing load, please. All right, so just say, I want to start creating African folktales. So folktales. Okay, then now tell it, I want you to give me, let's say, 30 content ideas, or let's say storylines with deep moral lessons. Okay, we did moral lessons that educate. All right, so I'm just coming up with this prompt from my head, so it's not written anywhere. That educate, inform, and also entertaining. All right, let's say entertaining. Okay, so let's give it more clarity again on the prompt. Let it resonate, okay, resonate with deep African culture and discipline. Okay, just give me, okay, we've already specified 30 content idea. All right, so let's just go with this for now. Let's see. All right, so this is the idea. Let's wait for ChatGPT to come up with it. Now perfect, this fits African storyline, discipline, wisdom, and base content very well. Here are 30 African rooted folktale storyline, each with a deep moral lesson written so you can turn them into YouTube video short or narrated slide. Now the first one, yesterday, drum that spoke only the truth. This is a very strong caption, or yes, title that people were really much interested to watch. So I'm going to be showing you now. We've generated the idea. I'm going to be showing you how to turn it into a story. Now the second one here said, the boy who ate tomorrow's harvest. This is also a very powerful topic. The tortoise and the borrowed crown. All right, so now we're going to tell it now. We've come up with an idea that we can start creating our stories on. All right, so if you watch, you have about 30 content idea. So I want to show you how you can actually turn these into a storyline. Now let's say using number one. Okay, using number one, using number 1. Come on, generate me a, let's say 28 or let's say 15-minute script that matches it. Make it in details, and also let's say also generate image idea for each scene. Okay, for each scene, this is very important. So once you've generated your script, you will need an image idea that matches with the storyline or the scene you actually want to use. So once ChatGPT have generated the script, now it says here the first scene here is: long ago, before the cities and machines, there was a quiet African village surrounded by tall trees and red earth. The people live by tradition, respect, and truth. Elders guided the young, and the young listening without argument. So this is the first scene. Right, so the first scene, now you actually need an image that matches this scene. So the image here that matches this scene is actually this one. Yes, the image idea. You just have to copy it, or you can decide to copy all of them. Now these are all the scenes here. We have about how many scenes here? 9, 10, okay, 11. This is very long. So once you're doing your own, make sure you don't make it too long, because if it is too long, most people will not watch up to the end, depending on the kind of stories you are actually telling. But if the story is interesting and engaging, people will watch it to the end. But if you know your stories are not entertaining, don't make it too long. So this is about how many scenes? 15 scenes. All right, so it's still okay. Now if you watch, each scene has its own image ideas or idea. All right, image idea. So all you just have to do now is to copy. You tap on this copy icon here. All right, this copy option here, you just tap on it and you go to your notepad and you paste. Now the next thing I want to show you now is how to generate your image that matches with each scene. Now, like I've shown you here, that each scene has its own image ideas. So this is it here. So just what you have to do now is just to copy each one step by step. Now this might take you time to do, but you have to do it. Right, you can spend one day creating a video. Yes, maybe in a week you post one, every week you post one. So once you've done with your idea and everything, you just copy it and you paste somewhere. Now the next thing I want to show you is how to generate your image. So we're going to be using Gemini. This is Gemini here. You go to Play Store for those using Android. For those using let me close this. For those using iPhone, you go to you go to Apple Store to download Gemini. So all right, so here is Gemini. Now let's tap on image creation. This is Nano Banana. You tap on it and you just paste your prompt. Sorry, I've copied too much, not this actually. Select, let me check where's that first one that I copied. All right, this is the first one here. Now it's an Asian African village at sunrise, mud house, red soil, tall trees, soft morning mist, peaceful atmosphere, and traditional African setting. So we want to generate an image that matches with this right up here. Just tap on it. Once you've copied it, you paste it here on Gemini. Gemini will generate an image for you that resonates with that scene, which is very, very important. All right, so let's just wait for it to generate. And I think it's very, very important also we give it a clear specification to say, let's use another one. Just tap, sorry, not this one. Go back here. Okay, then full stop. Let's say make it landscape mode. Oh yes, let's use landscape mode. So you tap on it. So we want to make it to generate in a landscape mode, since we are posting long form video on YouTube. So we want to make it at landscape mode. Okay, this is still okay, still the same thing. Right, so once you're done with it and you find out that it's okay, you just tap on it and you tap on save. So once you tap on save, it will be downloaded into your photo gallery. Now the next thing you need to do now is to animate this image. This is very, very important, to animate this image. So while you are the storyline is reading, the image will be moving. It will keep the viewers engaged. So to animate this image now, we are going to be using Grok. Yes, Grok. This is the application here. Go to Play Store, go to Apple Store to download Grok. It's very free to use. Although they have paid version, but you can still use the free version. So once you've come here to Grok, you tap on create video. All right, you tap on create video and you tap on the image you want to animate. All right, we want to animate the image, so we tap on the image we just downloaded or generated using Gemini. So we tap on it. Then let's just paste that our prompt here again so that it will match. There's the prompt, an ancient African city. All right, so you tap on it and you wait for it to load. It will take some few seconds to do that, so let's wait for it. If you watch with 1%, I don't want to pause this video because I want you to see everything from scratch. All right, let it be fast. So as we're waiting for this, so the next thing I'm going to be showing you after here now is to generate your voiceover. All right, your voiceover. Now if you watch, the image has been animated. Yes, it has been animated. So all you just have to do is to download. This is the download icon here. Just tap on it. You see download started. So once you've downloaded it into your gallery, that is the first scene. You repeat that for other scenes. All right, other scenes, you copy other images, you just paste them on Gemini. From Gemini, you animate them on Grok. As simple as that. Now the next thing which I want to show you here, which is also very important, is how to generate your voice over. If you're not going to be the one to be reading the storyline one by one, there are other strategy you can use, which is very simple and which is also very advisable. Is creating a voice over. That means an AI will be reading the script for you. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Now to do that now, we're going to go to ElevenLabs. I have the app downloaded on my phone already. So this is ElevenLabs, right? I don't know why this icon is not showing on the app here, the app icon. But if you go to either Play Store, Apple Store and type ElevenLabs, you'll find this application. Just download it and install it on your phone. We can use it to create our voice over. Or I'm going to be showing you how to do it now. So this is ElevenLabs. Let me tap on the plus icon and tap on clear. All right, so here now you just have to copy that your script from ChatGPT and you paste here. So this is the script, but we are going to do there will be so much editing here, so much editing, and this might take longer time. All right, so but when you want to do, you make sure you take your time. But I'm not going to be doing that for now. I'm just going to copy something somewhere and paste it. Let me check if I have anything on my notepad. Let me see if I have anything on my notepad. Let me see. Okay, I think short, not too long. There are some. Okay, let me see. Let me scroll downward. If I have any long article, give me the best advantage. This is not it. Okay, I think we should use just something like this, or let's scroll downward to see. Okay, let's use this one for our script. Okay, so when you want to do yours, make sure you have the actual script. I'm just copying this because to save time. Okay, I don't want to start everything because it might waste our time here. So I'm just showing you the basic step-by-step procedures that you can actually follow. Select all, Then let me paste the one I brought from. Alright, so move this. So once you've copied your script, you just paste it here. You paste it here. Then once you paste it here, you select the voice artist you want to use. Okay, there are several voice artists here. Now if you find out that there are some with over 3.2k yes, used. Now you select, the first thing you have to do now is to select your language. This is category, gender, and age. So if you want to use a female voice, these are several female voices, you can tap on apply. These are several female voices you can use. Let me test some of the voices so that we can hear them. Let's say we are going with this.
It was close to midnight. The storm was building.
Okay.
Current bowls a Yorker.
He took her hand gently.
That is
I
too,
am the
it's
voice
too robotic.
between shadow.
Let's find
A
something
conservative
natural.
soul finds peace in it.
Current bowls a Yorker and Coley flicks it to
Now, if you want to know the voice that is always good, check the one with the highest use. This one has over 10.7k views, 7k use. We're not going to use that.
With each.
Okay, scroll down. Let me see this one.
All right, let me confirm the medication details once more.
Okay.
Hey there, love.
वो दरवाजा धीरे-धीरे खुला,
Let's change it to male.
लेकिन अजीब ये था कि किसी ने दरवाजा
Experience seamless support with the I'll help you through this carefully, step by step, and make sure you feel. Good evening, my night dreamers and love. I can read in a variety
Okay.
of tones
Now
and genre, in an expressive and
voice
calming
is
tone.
perfect. So to use it, you just tap on it.
I can
and
read
tap
in a
select
variety of
voice.
tones and genre, in an
This is not available
expressive
for
and
free
calming
users. Okay,
tone.
this voice is okay. Now, like I told you, that some of these apps are paid and also free. So this is a paid voice. For you to be able to access it, you have to pay the premium. Okay.
I'll be brief. Don't worry. Based on
No,
the rain traced silver lines.
let's see if this one is free. Okay, this is available. Okay, this voice is available. Okay, that's all. You have selected our voice. Now you just tap on generate and you wait for it to generate.
Everyone can literally start an online business
This is it,
by
very
leveraging
simple.
their expertise. Yes, it's possible.
Alright,
Most of the time.
so this is it, how to create. So we generate.
Everyone can literally start an
Alright, so
online
this is it,
business
very simple
by
to do.
leveraging their expertise.
Now once you're done with that,
Yes, it's possible.
is
Most
to
of the
download
time,
it.
we think starting an online business is actually becoming a coder, web designer, data analyst, or have one of these core tech skills.
The next thing you need to do now is
That
to
might
download.
not actually be the case. Here is
Okay,
how to
so you
start
can do
an
other
online
some other
business
settings,
just by
that's
simply
speed,
leveraging your
stability,
expertise,
similarity,
plus AI tools, plus basic
Alright.
digital literacy to start a simple
style and
business.
exaggeration.
Step 1.
That's not our
What do you know how to do?
that's not our
What
focus.
expertise do you have? Are you great at writing?
Okay.
That's your expertise.
Then
Do you
now,
know a lot
once you're
about
done with that,
gardening?
you just tap on this icon here to
Expertise.
save. Now say save
Are
as
you an
audio
expert
clip.
organizer or a skilled baker? It can be in any area,
Save as
whether it's
audio
digital or physical skill.
clip.
But let it be something people will
Then
be
you just
very much
change
interested
the
in.
name.
And it's solving
You
a
can just
compelling
use a
need
name that you
for
can
a
remember.
defined
So once
group
you're
of
done with that, you
people.
tap on the save icon
This is
here
the
and it
very
will be
first
saved
step.
to your
3.
file.
Step 2.
Alright, so this is
Leverage
very
free
simple
AI
to do.
tools available.
Stop this one. So this is very simple to do. So we've generated our image, we've generated our idea, we have animated our image. So we are all 100% ready to start compiling our image or our ideas or our resources to form a video. So once you're done with everything, you've gotten everything ready, the next step now is to use CapCut or any video editing tool to start compiling this. Okay, this is CapCut here. You can use CapCut to start compiling them. Now you make sure you put each scene according to how it was given to you by ChatGPT, and make sure once you've done that, you find a voiceover the voiceover you've created, you just upload it on that list. Okay, so this is the scene we created. You just tap on the scene. If you have many scenes, you just tap on this, you tap on this, you tap on this, just tap them accordingly. Okay, so then the next thing you have to do first, once you've just you've added the scenes, now it's important you reduce the volume from all of them. You tap on this, but I'm not going to be showing you how to use CapCut on this video. You can go and watch how to use CapCut. I just show you the basic of how you can get started. Okay, I just decide to show you the basic on how you can get started. Repeat on all the scenes. Reduce the volume on all the images. You go, you repeat the same procedures to remove the volume. The volume. Okay, it has applied to all others. So the next thing you have to do is also tap on audio, and you just copy or add that your voiceover is generated with ElevenLabs. You just tap on it, you go to your device and you find it there, and you just tap on it and upload it. Then the next step, once you've done that, make sure each scene matches with the voice over. This is so important, each scene to match with the voice over. So once you've done that, it's also perfect. Then the next thing you have to do now is to find a very solemn sound, a very soft sound. You can go to I'm not going to be showing you how to do that one. Just go to either Google and type how to download stock music on for free. You find several platforms that allows you to download stock movie sounds or music for free. You just download and you upload them on here and reduce the volume so that it will just be playing on the background while the storyline is going on. You can decide to also add auto caption. Once you've uploaded your voice over, you choose any of the auto caption here you want to actually use. So this is a simple breakdown on how you can start creating African folktale with your smartphone. So in case you gain any value from this is going to be the end of this video. In case you gain any value from this, and in case you also need clarity, use the comment section. And if you gain any value from this, just go ahead and hit the like button, and also turn on the notifications so that you get notified when we drop new videos. All right, I'm going to be seeing the subsequent videos. Bye for now. Thank you.